So this is just a quick video completing the second page and the second question of your Christmas exam 2023. So using the list given below, label each triangle in the space provided. Okay, so at least we have our labels, we have our names of triangles here. If we're struggling, we can put in what ones we know, cross them off, and at least we're kind of gaining some few marks anyway before we start kind of guessing the end ones, right? So we shouldn't be leaving something like this blank because they give us a list there, right? So this first one anyway is equilateral triangle. Why? All angles are equal and all sides are equal as well. So equilateral. So I'm going to come up here now and I'm going to cross off my equilateral, right? So if I'm kind of stuck on this one, right? What else do I know? This one here is a right angle, so right angle. So that's the right angle you got. Okay. A scalene triangle is more. So when all the sides and angles are not equal. And an isosceles, there's two equal angles and two equal side lengths. Okay. So we're now looking between this triangle and this triangle. Is there any one of them that has two the same side lengths and two the same angles? So this side here and this side look to be the same length as well as the angle and the angle in here. Whereas this one is all over. Okay, so this is your scalene and isosceles. Now, okay, part B here saw the question. So the image across shows the design for a kite A, B, C, D based on triangles. The lines BE, so where is it? BE, yeah, into the middle. So BE and DE bisect the angles ABC. So ABC. So this angle here is getting bisected by that line, and A or CDA. So this one here as well is getting bisected. The image below showing the image below complete the kite with point E found. Okay. So what we're basically going to have to do is we're going to have to bisect this angle here, bisect this angle here, and we can join C to A then after that, right? So to bisect an angle, get any distance on your compass, point in the angle, swing, swing. Keep the same distance on the compass. You put your point where your mark crosses the line. Same distance on the compass, swing an arc. Same with the corresponding, swing an arc, okay? So that now is after getting us, so we can draw out through that little X that we created out from the angle. Exact same on the other side. So pick any distance on your compass. Point in there, we swing, swing. Same distance on the compass. Point here, swing, point here, swing. It's after giving us a little X. It goes from the angle, from the cornered angle, right through that X there. Them two lines then intersect. That gives us point E. Okay? And A to C get joined down through it there. And they should meet right in the middle there, like that. Okay? So that's that kite fully completed there. Colour or shade the drawing, then I'm going to let that up to you now again, alright? So you colour and shade that yourselves. The image shows a jewellery shop logo based on an equilateral triangle. Okay? What do we know about equilateral triangles? All angles are the same and all sides are the same. Complete the drawing of the jewellery logo below. Locate the centre of the circle, complete the logo and show the size shown in the image on the right. Show all constructions clearly. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is to draw this triangle. Right? There's two ways we could draw this. Okay? Because it's an equilateral triangle, the first thing we could do is get our set square, set it up there, and go 60 degrees down here. Spin it around 60 degrees on here, and wherever they intersect, that'll be my triangle. Right? That's using the angles approach. You could also use your lengths approach. Because it's an equilateral triangle, all lengths are the same. So you can get your length on the compass, get the length of the line AB on the compass, swing an arc from point A, keep the same distance on the compass, and swing an arc from point B. You'll notice there after making a little X, we can join these back then back to A, and join it back over here to B. Just to prove to you that it's the same thing as using your set squares, okay? Watch when I line up my 60-degree set square at the line. See? It's the exact same thing. And if I do this one here as well, exact same thing as well, okay? I'm a bit off there, I'm actually. That's just taping on the sheet, right? But they're the exact same thing, same method for doing it. So it doesn't matter if you use your 60-degree set squares or if you do the compass method there like I do, okay? Now, the top corner of the triangle is the center of the circle, so that's lovely. So all I have to do is go straight across there. That's my center of my circle count. To get this little bit of a radius here, I'm going to put, look, it shows you point there all the way up, or, so I'm going to put the point of the compass there, extend it up to point A, and if I swing an arc then it should just finish up there in B. Lovely. And the next thing now we're going to do, okay, is our outside ring, our outside goal part. Okay, so we have the inside circle there. How do I know this is the inside circle? Well, the outside circle is touching it right here, touching the line AB right up there in the middle. So I'm going to draw in my straight line up my object. This point here now is going to be the top of the outside of the ring part. So I'm going to put the compass in the middle, extend the compass to there. Just draw that in then, like that, okay? Your accuracy will be that small bit tighter, rather than me doing it under the visualizer here. My circle looks to be touching, but that's exactly how we find it. Same method all along. Okay? So that's the second page of the Christmas test.